Hi everyone, welcome to Math Minds. Our learning target for this video is I can apply compound interest and continuous interest with exponential functions. Now let's take a look at some vocabulary. Compound interest. Interest calculated on both the principal and any previously earned interest. Formula. A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the power of NT. Principal. Our p-value, the initial amount of money deposited or borrowed. Interest rate, our R value, the annual interest rate written as a decimal. Example, 4.5% is equal to 0.045. Compounding period, our N value, how often interest is added to the account each year. Time, our T value, the length of time the money is invested or borrowed, measured in years. Now let's take a look at the problem of the day. Number 1. Your bank is offering a savings account with an interest rate of 1.1% compounded monthly. If you deposit $5,000, what will your balance be in 7.5 years? So you want to start off by annotating the question. We have an interest rate of 1.1%, compounded monthly. We're depositing $5,000. What will your balance be in 7.5 years? We have our equation. Y is equal to P times 1 plus R over N to the power of NT. We're going to determine each of our values. So we have P, our principal, is equal to $5,000. This is the amount being borrowed. We have our R value, the rate, 1.1%, which is equal to 0.011 in decimal form. We have N, which is the number of times this will be compounded. It is monthly. There are 12 months in a year. And then we have T, which is the amount of time, and that is 7.5 years. Now that we have this, we can substitute our values into our formula, and we have Y is equal to $5,000 times 1 plus 0.011 over 12 to the power of 12 times 7.5. We're going to solve for our Y value, and we determine that Y is equal to $5,429.79. And that will be our bank balance in 7.5 years. Number 2, you borrow a loan for $2,500 from your local bank with an interest rate of 4.5% compounded quarterly. What will be your balance after 10 years? So we have a loan for $2,500, an interest rate of 4.5% compounded quarterly. We want to determine the balance after 10 years. So we're using our formula once again. We have Y equals P times 1 plus R over N to the power of NT. We have our P value, R value, N, and T. And based on the question, let's take a look. We have a principal of $2,500. We have a rate of 4.5%. We're going to rewrite this as a decimal. That is 0.045. And this is compounded quarterly. That means 4 times in a year. And T is 10 years. We are going to substitute these values in. And we have Y is equal to 2,500 times 1 plus 0.045 over 4 to the power of 4 times 10, solving for Y. This is equal to $3,910.94. Without making any payments on the loan, the balance will be $3,910.94. And that's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one.